Thank you.
All right, come on down this way. Gotta get the footage.
And have a safe journey home.
What's up?
I tried to sneak back up to the back of the car.
Why don't I have my hoodie?
I do. I don't think I was recording for the first bunch of that. Oh well.
Hold on tight! Oh, you jerk! Whoa! You okay, Grandma? No. We haven't even made it to the first drop yet.
Oh no! Help! Help! Oh, how could you do this to me?
'Cause it's funny.
Oh, there we go.
Speaking of funny. Well, Grandma, it was nice knowing ya.
No, 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 I forgot how bouncy this was. Oh my goodness me.
Oh, that gotta be good. Who's got wet so far?
I have. Have you? Oh my! I am drenched. Oh my goodness me. Oh yes.
Hey, Grandma, look.
I think I got into my ass and soaking wet.
Oh my! Oh, what am I doing sitting by you, you jerk? I am so wet.
Hey, Grandma, look what's coming up. Grandma, look.
No!
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh no!
Right on my head again.
What was that? Oh my god!
You want to go in this again, Grandma?
Oh, please, no.
Yes, we
I'm
are.
so wet.
Oh,
I am
that thingy goes fast. I don't remember that. Who the hell wanted to do that frickin'
you
ride?
jerk.
That's horrible.
Yeah, it's been too much.
Look, it's soaking wet. I mean, I'm soaking wet.
Dude, look at my jacket. It's dripping water.
Going again, Dad?
Yes, I'm going on again.
Piece of cake. Piece
I
of
think
cake.
we all
We should
agree
just
we have enough.
send Dad by himself.
Cal, going again? No, you going again?
Yes.
I think you're on your own if you go.
Oh, look at me. I'm so
Alright, smile.
totally. Lucky I got my jacket.
Thumbs up. Yeah. Coming?
Yeah.
Do you want to go again? Do you want to go again?
I don't know.
Well, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then go again. We'll wait for you at the exit.
What you guys?
He wants to go again.
Go in? You're gonna go on blue level, my friend. Watch your step.
Okay. Good luck.
God, idiot.
I come.
Noah's going again.
Oh, shit. Look at it, I'm soaked. You guys aren't even wet.
Watch him here. Just when he comes back, though.
All right, say goodbye.